making the first trip out to... Shit. Okay, we're making the first trip out to Boulder, and...
With our stuff to move.
Yeah. And it's 10:15 currently. We have to be there at 10:45.
And we're gonna get there right about then.
Ooh.
Haha. Look at this space.
And all these plants.
Oh, we've made it, folks. Also, any art on the walls for sale. You can contact us. We'll contact the maker. Hook you up. One of, if not the coolest part of this place is that. Oh, flat iron staring us in the face. So this is the first carload, and we have less stuff to bring the next time. So we're here, and the house is back to the way we found it. We have some homemade pickles that we're tasting. These ones, what type of vinegar is it?
Red wine vinegar.
Yeah, so these have just been soaking in there for a couple days. What do you think? Yeah?
Rich people pickles. Mm-hmm.
Just because it tastes like wine?
Tastes super rich. Like, rich in salt and wine.
And money.
Vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Very rich. Very rich.
Now,
I like me some hick pickles. You know? Some jalapeno. A little bit
This
of
one I don't
random
remember
stuff.
exactly what I put in. But all of the cucumbers in there were put in after we ate the original ones. Yeah, these are better. Well, there's still more in the fridge. Got some lemon cucumbers and another little cuke in the hot damn dill brine. We've got this, I think I showed in another video, 2 videos ago. It's just all sorts of stuff. And I haven't tasted this one yet. That's nice and spicy. Oh wow.
These are my favorite. This type of pickle too. I think it's because you never see it pickled in a store. That makes it really good.
Mm-hmm. And I'm doing a whole mix and match game. I just took a pickle from there that was original, that we never ate, and I put it in there. You can see the odd man out over there. It's just fun. They all taste great. We're getting out of here.
Let's wrap it up.
We've got a new friend. We're just straightening everything out. So a bunch of garbage everywhere. We're happy to have more space though. It makes it seem like these tighter spaces are just that much cozier. Oh. Can anyone guess what these noodles are made out of? That's what they're made out of. Found these things at an Asian market. They're crazy. And pretty good. More inexpensive than anything. And
Prices at the Asian market. $25 for a 25-pound bag of rice.
yeah,
Jasmine.
it's really hard to pass up. Although we didn't get rice this time.
You did.
Shh. There's certain things that we don't tell them.